Oh my goodness. I cannot believe what just happened to Bitcoin. Seriously, what just happened? Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sarah, and on this channel I teach you guys how to trade cryptocurrency and achieve financial freedom through it. So if that sounds like something that you'll be interested in, if you want to learn more about trading crypto, learn how you can achieve financial freedom or become the best version of yourself, make sure you hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to stay updated for my next video. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe what just happened to Bitcoin. It is crazy. Right now Bitcoin is crashing a lot. Let's go to tradingview so you can see what I'm talking about. Like, look at this. It is crazy. Look at that long candle. So this all started about an hour and a half ago. It's something that's unexpected. It was not supposed to like crash this badly. Like, from all the technical analysis that I did, it's supposed to be going up. Like, we were expecting to see at least 55k, but now we're seeing like it crashed all the way down to 42k, which is crazy. Like, it was not expected. And I saw in the news that about 2 2.5 million accounts got liquidated on Binance, which is telling you that a lot of people were expecting the price of Bitcoin to go up, but then it ended up going the opposite way. So what caused this? Like, what is causing Bitcoin to crash so bad? Well, it's called market manipulation. This is what happens when big institutions decide to buy crypto, or they can choose to bring the price down just so they can get in to buy Bitcoin at a lower rate. So it's so crazy. This is why they say crypto is so risky. Like, when you're trading crypto, you have to know what you're doing. Like, don't just get into it like that. Before you start trading, make sure you learn how to trade the right way. Learn all the things that is involved in it, and then once you start feeling more comfortable, then you can start using money to trade with. As a person who's a beginner, I don't recommend you guys to just jump into it right there. Like, on Binance offers something called they have a different program called testnet, and this is where they give you free money. Well, actually it's fake money that you can use to trade with, and once you're doing that, it's going to help you to build your trading skills. That's where the magic happens. It's true practice. You practice and practice and practice until you become better at it. This is what happens. Market manipulation. No matter how good of a technical analysis you do, you never know what's going to happen. Like, at the end of the day, bigger corporations have the final say. They can decide to just dump the price in a matter of minutes, or they can decide to just pump the price in a matter of minutes. So this is why I always, like, on my channel, I've been saying, when you're getting in a trade, do not stay in there for a long time. I recommend you get in the same day, you get out the same day. Like, you don't want to stay there in a long time, because this is what happens. Like, you can do your technical analysis, and you can be, after doing your technical analysis, you see that the price is heading upwards, and then you decide to stay there for a few days or even weeks. Some people stay in trades for weeks and months. I don't know how they can do that, but and then boom, this what happens, the market just makes a full circle on you, and then you end up losing all your money. So guys, as beginners and even as pros, do not stay in the market for a long period of time. When you're trading, get in and get out. Make money, be happy with the small amount of money you make, okay? Like, you can make a large amount of money when trading Bitcoin. If you're using a large amount of money, you don't need to stay in the trade for a long period of time. Like, if you have a large amount of money that you're trading with, you do not need to stay in the trade for a long period of time to be able to make a lot of money, because you're already using a lot of money to trade with. So I always recommend aim for like 2%, 2 to 5% of a profit. Once you make about 2 to 5%, then just take your profit and get out of the market for the day. Don't even try to attempt to go in again. It's crazy. So this morning when I woke up, I went on TradingView to do my technical analysis to see what's happening in the market. And unfortunately, I made the mistake of entering at the wrong time. And even though I entered at the wrong time, I sort of expected the market to start going up, right? Because I knew, okay, we are in an uptrend, so the price should start heading back up. But nope, I got out like after just like once I entered my trade, within like half an hour or so, I come back into TradingView and I see this big dump which I was not expecting. I was like, what the hell just happened? This is crazy, man. So I lost quite a few amount, but it's money that I can afford to lose, right? So when you're trading, you want to use money that you can afford to lose. Never trade with money that you need, such as like if you need that money for bill or money for food or whatever. Never use those type of money, or don't use money that's saved, that's in your saving account. No, it's not good. It's not a good idea. When you trade, you want to use money that you can afford to lose. This is money that is just extra money that is lying around. Then you can just use that to trade with. That's the best advice that I can give you guys. And when you are trading, you want to enter at the right time. That is it. That's basically the secret. Is after doing your technical analysis, you figure out what direction the market is going. If we are in an uptrend or downtrend, figure that out. Once you figure it out, now you want to figure out when is the best time to enter. And usually the best time to enter is among the support and resistance line. Support is where the price bounces back from. So this area here that I'm pointing around, that would be the support. So I would enter around there. And then resistance is the area where the price keeps bouncing, like it keeps rejecting to go high up from. That is what we call resistance. So if you want to trade profitably, you want to enter through. Place your long when it is at the support and place your short when it is at the resistance. Never long when it is at resistance. If you long when it is at resistance, the chances of you losing your money is very, very high. The only time you want to long when it is at resistance is when it breaks the resistance. Once it breaks the resistance, then you can confidently place your long position. But if it hasn't broken the resistance, then do not place your long there, okay? And then same thing goes with the support. The only time you want to short when it is at a support is when it breaks that support. If it breaks the support, that's when you can place your short. You understand? That's when you can place your short. So another thing to keep in mind is you have to wait for the candle to close. And I recommend looking at like waiting for like the longer time frame candles, because those are the ones that the market tends to follow the most. It has the final say. So longer time frames such as the 4 hour or the 1 day frame, those are the ones that you want to go by. In the long run, it will tell you exactly what's gonna happen. Okay, so yeah, guys, I lost a lot of money today, and I just wanted to come out here and share a little bit of tips because I know I'm not the only one that lost so much money today. A lot of people did because nobody was expecting Bitcoin to do this. Um, and if I go on coin market cap, you'll see here that everything is red. Well, 90% of cryptocurrencies right now are dying. Like, look at that, 14%, 17%, 19. So why is that? Because Bitcoin is basically the dominant. Bitcoin has the final say. If Bitcoin is crashing, then all the other cryptocurrency will crash. If Bitcoin is pumping, then most likely all the other cryptocurrency will pump as well. However, that is not always the case because of Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is one of the other things that also determines if altcoins will crash as Bitcoin is crashing, or if they're going to stay the same, or if they're going to pump as Bitcoin is crashing. So Bitcoin dominance is another thing that you have to take into consideration when you are trading cryptocurrency, because it's a game changer. As you can see here, let me go to the Bitcoin dominance chart. This is the Bitcoin dominance chart, and we can see here Bitcoin dominance started going up, and because of that, Bitcoin crash. It's because of the Bitcoin dominance. That's one of it, but that's not the only thing. There's also the market manipulation. So a corporation out there decided to dump Bitcoin, and that is what caused the crash, guys. Whenever you see big crashes like this in Bitcoin, it usually means that it's a market manipulation. There's corporations out there that decided to dump a large amount of Bitcoin so that they can buy it at a discount. So it's extremely risky, but you can still make a lot of money from it. You just gotta be very safe. Like, look at the market as your enemy. You know, the market there, the purpose of it is it wants to take your money. That is it. These exchanges, they're there. It's a business for them, you know. Be us trading on exchanges like this, it is a business. They make money when you lose. That's how they make their money. And they have their intention is to make sure they take all your money. So that's why when you're trading, you want to always like go there, be very vigilant, like be very like wise. I don't know how to say this. Like, just go there, like, do not trust the exchanges, do not trust the market, you know that they are after your money and they want to take it. So you have to make sure you are doing your trading correctly. And this is why I created this channel, so that I can be teaching people, so that I can be teaching beginners like you on how to trade cryptocurrency and, do it the right way. I see so many YouTubers out there, they just talk about the amount of money that they're making, or they just like quickly analyze the market for you, but they're not really teaching you how to trade this. A lot of them only teach it through their courses that they've created online. So if you want to learn how to trade, you have to buy courses from them so that you can learn it, which is, it's not really good. So I'm not doing that. I honestly, I'm just passionate about cryptocurrency. So this is why I decided to, like, why not just make videos so that I can teach people how to trade this, because I find it really fun and interesting, and I've been able to learn it. And yeah, so that's why I'm making all these videos on my channel to teach you guys, you especially beginners, to trade cryptocurrency so that you can make money and achieve financial freedom. Honestly, you can turn this into a full-time job. Trading, once you master it, you can turn it into a full-time job. I have been able to do that for the past year, I've been able to turn trading into a full-time job. This is why I love it and I enjoy it, and I believe that if you subscribe to my channel, you'll be able to learn all of these skills and also turn trading into a full-time job. So if you're not yet subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you can be on your way to financial freedom. All right, so I think I'm going to end it here for today. I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit that thumbs up and be sure to check out my other videos on how to trade cryptocurrency. All right, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.